Oh, you missed one. Fell.
One fell?
Yeah.
Oh, one right here.
Oh, see, there's a
Here's
couple
a good
right
one
here.
right here.
What happens if you push on the ice? Nothing?
Oh, if you tap on it, it's kind of more fun to see them just grow until they're too heavy and then they fall. Like there's two right there.
Oh, there's a big one back around here. Right there. It's about to fall.
Ooh, yeah, these are a bit
it's
bigger. See?
here.
It's kind of cool that we're doing this today because it is rainy today too.
That's kind of funny. Pull out.
Stop it, Ashley.
And look at all that moisture that's in the bottom of it.
Oh!
Oh, it's dripping.
Ooh, I got one.
Ah, it's cold.
Look,
Oh my gosh, it's cold.
Can I drink that?
I'm
I
pretty
don't-
thirsty.
It's kind of dirty now. But yeah, there's condensation on the bottom of it.
If you lean it.
Oh, look at that. It really does hurt your roots.
Yeah, try leaning it in there and see it. I touch you. Ow.